Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight email. It says live from SEMA show booth 153007. 20% off any icon or all icon tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbio Studios. Yeah, we apparently we're all getting this email, and this applies to any icon tools. As long as they are icon, you can get 20% off. It says SEMA Show Special. It says limit one coupon per customer per day. Cannot be used with other discounts or coupons. Not valid on prior purchases. Valid 11/24/19. So yeah, definitely a great coupon here. It does take a little bit of chunk away from the prices. Let's look at some prices here. We're just gonna put icon, hand tools. The most expensive ones are where's the ratcheting wrenches? 149. Okay, we got the professional ratcheting combination wrench set with the slip grip. Okay, add to cart. Okay, we got add to cart at $390.41, $569. All right. So as you guys could see, we did apply this coupon. It says 10-piece metric professional ratcheting wrench set, anti-slip grip. So these are $149.99 regular price. It says item total, it's $119.99. Does take out $30 from the original price. So definitely it'll be $119 plus tax. So this is definitely a great deal. Harbor Freight it is. Lowering the price by coupons or whatnot, but still great deal there. We got SEMA Show Special. Unlimited 200 professional multi-process welder, $649.99. Omni Pro 220 industrial multi-process welder, $879.99. 350-pound capacity welding cart, $89.99. This is what catch my attention here. 12,000-pound truck SUV winch, $599.99. Definitely a great item there. As you guys know, this is the upgraded version of these. A lot better because these are they do heat up and they are slow. Apparently, this is not the case with this. This is a much better winch. So if you're paying $799 for that, you're gonna be expecting it to be a much better winch than these. But yeah, then they decided to lower the cost to $599, which is definitely a great item there to have. And then you got the LED bars here. Got some coupons, 22-inch, $79.99. You got the 14-inch, $54.99. It's a great deal here for the jacks. Definitely jacks. I recommend the jacks for you guys. Same thing with these. These are great. Not the lowest we've seen it. We have coupons out there for $169.99. You guys haven't seen the previous video that I did. I do have a coupon $169.99 for this one, and this one. Only these three colors. These three colors are not included. So these are not the lowest prices, but yeah, I guess this one's pretty low. So you guys see this 8-inch professional automotive scanner, $849.99. Yeah, this is one of the lowest I've seen it. I do have the ZR4. I don't think it's here. Nope, it's not here. ZR4 is mostly for the DIY, somebody that doesn't do any mechanic work at all. I do have it. I believe the video should be rolling up this week or next week. We got the jump starter and power pack, $69.99. I got this. Works real good. If your battery is super dead, this jump starter is not gonna start your vehicle. If you want to start your vehicle, I would recommend you remove the battery if your battery is super dead. If not, then it should start it right up. It did start in my V8, so no problems. You guys want to see that video, just see if I can link it up above, or you guys could look at search on YouTube, Toolhead 147 jump starter and power pack. The 16 feet 6 gauge heavy duty booster cables. They are coming out with some I believe some 2 gauge or some thicker wires, some higher grade wires. So if you guys are looking for something that's a little better than these, they are coming out with some new ones. These are great, especially at this price, $18.99. You can't beat them. 3-ton heavy duty jack stands, definitely a great item there. This is a great light. Would recommend it. I believe on the parking lot sales there you go down to $19.99. On the Black Friday, I believe it's gonna go to $18.99. If you want to check out my Black Friday, like I said, I'll see if I can link it above, or just look at a Harbor Freight Black Friday. These are great. Not necessarily for precision. For tires, lug nuts, that's fine. These are definitely a great set there. I do have the older ones. My brother still has the S2. And these are definitely great. $18.99 is one of the lowest we've seen them. This used to be free. I don't know what happened. They don't have any more free coupons for these. Hopefully they'll come out soon. 7 mils and 9 mils are definitely great gloves for the mechanic. Or for the DIY, somebody that does brake jobs and oil changes and all that stuff. Definitely a great glove there. 12-volt lithium cordless 3/8 extreme torque ratcheting kit. Yeah, this is going to be like your lowest cost. I guess the next one's Milwaukee and then Snap-on. But yeah, this is going to be it will do the job. It is lower cost than both of them. I believe Cobalt, it is coming out with the ratcheting device, something like this, but with the regular battery from Cobalt. So keep an eye out if you guys looking for that. I believe it's a new tool. Anything that has an earthquake brand, it's a great deal. Especially these, the 20-volt lithium cordless extreme torque 1/2 inch. Impact wrench, I believe we've seen this for $119.99 last time. Definitely would recommend these. But if you can afford the Fortress, it's a lot quieter. Some of them are real quiet. I recommend these. These are great. 3/8 by 50 feet industrial grade rubber air hose, $18.99. Definitely a great buy there. Alright, yeah, that's it. Just a short video. Don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one.